New Ryobi deals just dropped at the Home Depot. The buy one get one free. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yes, Ryobi Days are here. So let's go over in all the deals, or the newer deals that just dropped. To start here, we got, you buy the battery kits and you get a free tool. So that's a killer deal on this one. These are HP brushless tools. If you guys do a look, and HP batteries that you're gonna be getting. Alright, so let's look at here. You got the impact wrench, 1/2 inch impact wrench. You got the blower, reciprocating saw, multi-tool, SDS plus rotary hammer, circular saw. You got the angle grinder, the extended reach ratchet, the brad nailer, hammer drill, impact driver. Guys, those are some really good tools, especially that rotary hammer is one of the newer tools. Brad nailer, 3/8 impact wrench. That's a nice one for the engine bay, for the smaller interior stuff. One-handed reciprocating saw, the jigsaw, the cutoff tool, the pruning saw, and the stick vac. That's a new one, guys. That's a yeah, one of the newer ones, the stick vacuum. And that is the kit that you're gonna, yeah, that's the stick vacuum right there. And the pruning saw are the newer, and the brad nailer. So lots of good tools to choose from. You're going to end up getting 6 amp hour, a 4 amp hour, and 2 amp hour high output or high performance batteries, not high output, a charger, and a case. So that's pretty good. Those are the batteries you're going to get. That's 12 amp hours of batteries. That's pretty good. Definitely check that out. Alright, so 139, it's valued at 139. You can be able to choose from the grinder, the hammer drill, valued at 129, the oscillating tool, multi-tool oscillating tool, the ratchet, the extended reach ratchet, the 4-mode 1/2 inch impact wrench, the 4-mode 3/8 impact wrench, the SDS plus 5/8, and the titanium drill bits at $14.97. So those, the $14.97, that's extra. That's not included in this deal. That is the impact wrench. That is considered a mid-torque impact wrench. So that is pretty powerful for its size. I'm pretty sure this one does have some Milwaukee DNA on it. So I would definitely jump on this ASAP. This is like an all-in-one type of impact wrench. You got the angle grinder there. 7 1/4 circular saw, valued at 139. Brushless reciprocating saw, valued at 149. The 18 gauge brad nailer, guys, that's a good one right there. That's a, definitely check that one out. It is brushless. Circular saw, jigsaw, and there's the nailer there. I do apologize for not getting a clearer picture. You got a cutoff tool, the one-handed reciprocating saw, the jigsaw. So I would definitely jump on that brad nailer. That's what I would get if I already have it, by the way. But I would definitely jump on that. I really like it. It's one of the better nailers and cheaper nailers out there. So for any pros or any DIYs, definitely recommend that nailer. All right, so you got this kit. It does include some socket adapters. If you guys do see, not all kits include those. 2-inch bits, nut drivers, lots of nut drivers. 1-inch bits, some 2-inch bits there on that one. Looks like some adapters there. That is the impact. It looks like an impact driver. Now this one's the newer one, cordless pet stick vacuum, $199. It is HP brushless, according to what it says here. So this is definitely one of the new ones. Pretty much everybody's picking this one up. If you guys do already see, there's already one gone. I'm pretty sure they just put this deal down today when I was filming this video. Got the brushless jet fan blower, compact brushless 6-inch pruning saw. So you can choose from any of those with those kits. That is the pruning saw, 6-inch for smaller stuff. Got the blower. And that's a 350 CFM blower. That's not crazy powerful. It's for a medium to smaller sized yard. So keep that in mind when you're buying that. Alright, so let's go on to the lower tier. This is the $99 tier. This is the cheaper tier, what mostly everybody's going to be buying or selling out basically. They're going to be sold out in so quick. Alright, so you got the clamp speakers, you got the compact router, the reciprocating saw, the jigsaw, the work lights, the blower. I actually ended up picking up the speakers. I'll tell you a little bit more about that story. Power scrubber, angle grinder, circular saw, multi-tool ratchet, 2-pack of 4 ampere batteries, a fan, clamp light, edge trimmer, 1/4-inch driver or impact driver, sander. So lots of tools, and that's a new one too right there, the clamp lights. That's the newer fan too. I do have that edge trimmer, works pretty good. And that is the kit for $99. You can buy and get yourself a free tool. Here's another side of it. So $99 starter kits. They got plenty. Like I said, they just barely put these out. There's only a few missing there, so you can tell. That's the impact driver, valued at $59. Obviously, you want to shoot for the higher price tool so you guys could get the most out of your $99. That ratchet is pretty good. 3/8 ratchet. Used to have that. Works pretty good. Reciprocating saw. 5.5 circular saw, and the 2-pack of 4 ampere hour batteries. Those are RHP. Or non-HP, my bad. Non-HP, non-brushless. So the $99 deal, it's the non-HP, non-brushless. And the brushless tools are with that $199. The first one, first kit that I was telling you guys. I got the compact router, valued at $99. You got the 4.5-inch angle grinder for $59.97. The multi-tool, $79, and then the jigsaw for $69. So if you guys haven't used the multi-tool, definitely recommend you guys get one. You got the Whisper Series fan. Now this one's separate. This one's $159. This one's not part of that deal. It says 35%. And then this one is available with that deal. The buy one get one free, and this blower as well. So keep in mind that this blower it's kind of on the weak side. It's only 200 CFM, only for a small yard or just sidewalk cleanup basically. The edge trimmer, I do have to tell you that I do have this thing. This thing's a beast. However, it's a little heavy, but it is a beast. You got the power scrubber, $69. This is a new item, guys. Yes, it's a new item, so I definitely get this one for somebody that cleanses the house, makes it easier on them. That is the fan. It is the hybrid fan. It is a newer tool, the newer revision, or you would call it. 5-inch orbit sander, valued at $59. And then you got this newer lights. Never seen this light before. It's pretty nice lights. It says LED clamp light, valued at $39.97. So I'll definitely skip on this light. You can probably just purchase it yourself. And then don't spend your $99 on this. Spend it on a tool that's greater than $40. That hybrid light work light is really good. I do have it's really powerful, $89. By the way, I ended up picking up these speakers, and I do have a story to tell you guys about these speakers. I did make a video review, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. I will probably be posting it tomorrow after this video. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so you got a 50-piece impact drive set for $9.97. That's pretty good. Very inexpensive. Same thing with that 40-piece. You got a 1/2-inch drill driver kit for $79 and 2-tool combo kit for $99. So that 2-tool combo kit for $99, I think that's a pretty decent deal for a DIY, somebody that does not have any tools. You got a 50-piece, some nut drivers there to the left. And then it looks like a bit holder there to the green one. Some socket adapters, some 2-inch bits, some Phillips 2-inch bits, different sizes, some star bits, Robertsons, and some more star 1-inch bits, and then some Phillips. Same thing with that. That is the drill driver kit with 2 batteries. Those are 2 smaller batteries, and that is the drill driver and impact driver with 2 smaller batteries. They still do have a fuel gauge though. So keep that in mind. That's a really nice thing to have. All right, this is $9.97, just under $10 basically, almost under $10. You got some Robertsons, or no, not Robertsons, some star bits. some Phillips 2-inch bits, some spade bits, wood spade bits, by the way. You got some drill bits, general purpose drill bits, and some wood. Alright, so they got this one. This one's the finished nailer. This one's $189, down from $219. Now I believe this one's not part of the buy one get one free. This is separate. This was in another section. You got the 18 gauge brad nailer at $109. So if you don't want to hack the other one, you can pick this one up for around $100. Alright, so you got the 25 piece round shank black oxide drill bits for under $997. That's it right there. The spade bit is the same price, so it's $997. But that is the black oxide there. Alright, you got the blower string trimmer combo for $99. That's for a smaller yard. Really small yard, guys. So not that powerful. Keep that in mind. The pole saw's pretty good. I do have it. Works really good. It is the 8-inch and $249. That's for the kit. Does include the chainsaw and the pole saw. I got the high pressure inflator with digital gauge, $29. You got the glue gun there for $19.97. So those you can just pick up, whenever you got time or whenever you want them. They're very inexpensive. So, yep. And that's the inflator. That's the fan with the breeze. Now that it's getting hot, that is the kit. Does come with a battery charger and $199. That is the price. And if you want to get the smaller one, you can put on top of the bucket for $99. Guys, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you guys. Let us know down in the comment section which tools would you want to, or do you want to buy, or do you want to get for this year for the Ryobi deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.